What up, Twiggy? How it doing, Twiggy? Yeah, we're back on it, baby. And it's a grind right now. I'll tell you that. It's a grind. I mean, let's be real. It is a grind family. Woo! Grind out there. Yo, check this out. If we're gonna bounce, then why is the daily mid RSI, you know? Like, if we're looking for a bounce, you don't want the daily RSI here. Like, if you're looking for longs, you know, I feel like first off, we have this kind of trend line we held more or less. We kind of lost it. Two, when you're looking for a bounce, you want daily RSI to be down here. Now, I understand that a lot of these time frames, like the 4 hour, is bottomed. You know what I'm saying? 4 hours bottomed. All right. But as soon as you move past that 4 hour, there's the 5 hour. It's bottomed, right? As soon as you move past the 5 hour. All right. 6 hour. 6 hour could go a little lower here, fam. Right? 8 hour definitely has room to go down. Look at the 8 hour. You know what I'm saying? Again, we're talking about this trend line over kind of a long term, and you see how it kind of was played. Okay, a little deviation. SFP come back up here, resistance. Why bounce here? Which is why it's going to come to my main point. I do think we're going to see another leg down. And I'm trying to figure out where that's going to be. Is it going to be just a simple 18.7, 18.6? You zoom out here and you see, kind of see how. Let me even move this wick a little bit lower. This line a little bit lower. Got this here, right here. What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday, midday update. They are trying to reverse it here. We're just trying to reverse course here. I think this is kind of like the last hurrah for the bulls too, because it's kind of, they're holding that higher low in this structure, whatever you want to call this structure. To me, it was simply a bear flag that's broken down, fam. Right? So, do we just simply test the outside that bear flag and go down? You know, that's kind of what I'm watching here. All right, look again. It's kind of this bear flag type structure. Right? Break down. You want to retest this bear flag and then what? Continue to go down? Or do we get back in this bear flag? Now we had something very similar to this, believe it or not, on the daily a while ago. right? And then we happened. That's right. Came back into the channel, or we went to the bottom of the channel. We broke down, and then we came back. We came back up above it again. That all right. There we go. See how this bear flag? So you have something similar play down on the lower time frames. I do think. Again, I don't think if we're going to retest this channel or get back inside and move up, or we're going to retest this channel and move down. But I don't think the low is even in short term. So watch these low time frames. Watching these. Check it out. We got in about 30 minutes. We got some important time frames. We've got the 6 hour here. The 6 hour. All right. Got some 3 hour, got the 9 hour, we got the 18 hour, and right now the 18 hour, that's no bueno. You know, you're shorting that. So in 30 minutes, I would like to see some type of green 18 hour where we were, $19.50. You know, that would be nice to give me a little bit more confidence in longing down here. But again, you go to these bigger time frames outside the 4 hour, and everyone's like, well, the 4 hours oversold on RSI. I'm like, dude, but look at the 18 hour. It held this trend line, broke down. We have a lot of room to break down here, folks, on the 18 hour. Why would they hold? Why would they bounce it here mid RSI of the daily? You know, just below the mid RSI of the daily. 18 hour, the 2 day, you know, there's a lot of room to drop here, fam. Let's look at this 2 day. This is actually has this interesting. Ain't this ain't no thing. Oh, that's nice. Nice for the 2 day. God, it looks bad, don't it? It looks really, really bad. I mean, no, it doesn't, fam. Doesn't matter how long they hold here, doesn't make it more bullish. All right, zoom out here, go back to 2018. I mean, this is just hideous. Look at these bear flags all the way down, fam. Bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. I mean, we're getting these mini bear flags now. It can't even change the structure. That's how much, like, how bad that shit is. So look, check this out. Right, let's say if this is 17, this is back in 2018, right? Let's just say this is 17.6. Come down here, lows, pump, go down to that 17.6K level, and they held this a long time. I mean, to be honest, this looked, I wasn't even paying attention to the charts back then. I would just look at my phone once a week and see what the price of Bitcoin was, because I was scammed out in 2017. But look at the chart now, and this is a long time we spent here, right? Like, we could, this is exactly what's happening because Bitcoin dominance, well, assuming Bitcoin dominance has had the bounce. It's going to take time, right? It's going to take us time to go back up and bounce right here. Here it was last time. It was, God, to get to the lows from the bounce here. Look, I think the lows is right here. Perfect. December 10th. 224 days. God. About 8 months. That's crazy. So we add that again. We have something similar like this play out. And if this was the bounce that we're seeing, Bitcoin dominance, which it suggests. It does suggest this. I have videos with this line already up while we're coming down here, because like all the calculations with time and you just break it down, it all makes sense, right? So this is our slow climb back up. It takes us 224 days. That looks like April next year. April next year is what Bitcoin dominance suggests, right around that time, Q1, Q2 of next year, when we're actually going to see the lows for Bitcoin. So this could be going on for a long time. I do think short term that we're not done going down here. Let's see how this 18-hour closes, though. We're definitely gonna have to see how this 18. No? What y'all doing, fam? Scam Chad, Twiggy Ninja. What y'all doing? Volatility picking up on this hourly. So I'm trying to look for some absorption here. Got a little absorption on this 30-minute. 25 minutes till the 18-hour close. Let's go. How we doing? We're doing. It's crazy how whack the Bitcoin bounce was. Yeah, I know. It's because Bitcoin is like really being really manipulated right now. Like all the indicators, it's really hard to trade. All the indicators are kind of going extremely low volatility, which doesn't give you a good idea of when bounces are coming or when these bigger wicks are coming, because there's just a lot of spoofing. I think they're trying to hold up the price. That's what it looks like to me. Now let's just go over to the daily, right? We just basic TA, right? We just know here's the daily. Got this bear flag, fam. Okay, we held it here, broke down. You get a retest here. I'm going to short it right here, right? I'm going to short that. A rejection. We get that because that's what it looks like to me. They're going to try to move this, pop this up to 19.3. But unfortunately, fam, yeah, it don't look good, you know, unless it's some type of bear trap. And you see this volatility picking up on a red candle. They're trying to hold the 18-hour. 18-hour cannot close red. Not close red, fam. 6-hour. They're trying. Even if it closes green, the 18-hour, it doesn't like guarantee we're gonna bounce. We might get a little. What I think is gonna happen is we're gonna pump a little bit more. That 19.4, 19.5. Gonna look for shorts around there, and then we're gonna come back down. We're gonna retest this bear channel. We did it here. An SFP. Isn't that crazy? Very clean. Very clean, I would say. FTX is keeping the price down. I mean, whoever's keeping the price down, the one thing I'll say is Bitcoin hash ribbons. I keep referring back to these because Bitcoin hash ribbons will say a lot about where we are. So we just had a buy, and they're still bullish crossed right now, but they're kind of croaking over. I think this is going to be the second. All right, right around here. We're going to keep that up there. We'll save it on the hash ribbon, but we're going to have another capitulation event happen. Basically, we're right here. May. Another capitulation event happen. But yeah, there's a lot of manipulation going on for right now, for sure. We talk about the DXY, right? Saved it, right? Talk about the DXY. All right, look at this. It's absolutely nuts. They're trying to reverse course up here. I think this could be a local top. Ooh. 2 week. weeks. So this will be the easy one to as soon as we make a bearish divergence, that's a bearish divergence basically right there. So we basically, like, this is the 2-week chart right here. This is like a bearish divergence on a huge time frame over just crazy, right? I mean, we can get up higher. Look at this. This was January 2015. Check this shit out. RSI. Back in the .com bubble. Look, we didn't even get. Look how it's gonna play out. That's what we're gonna see, like this. So, I guess we've had a little bit. Damn, dude, can you imagine? All right, fam, if the DXY has topped and it starts dropping, that's going to be huge for equities. Do something like that. And then by like 2025, Bitcoin starts its bull run. 2024, 2025. That'll be the DXY. Save that one. Boom. I mean, it's easy to figure this shit out. Look, fam. Talking about this run has been just since December 2020. Right after COVID. This run has just been spectacular. November. Wow, it's crazy. It's crazy. This run's been spectacular. Where did you get them? Amazon. Ninja. Amazon got that. You know what my update. Yo, by the way, $100 promotion right now if you sign up with BINGX. First 100 people get $100. Use that referral right there in chat. First 100 people get $100. BINGX. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, but this is pretty easy to figure out, man. Like, right? Like, goes up, has to come down. Get something sideways like this. Look at this. This is crazy. RSI, that's manipulator right there. They're trying to get control again. I think it's going to see a little bit higher, but maybe not yet. Ooh, this is really good, fam. Check this out. This is the 2-week. The 2-week suggests some big absorption, so we got 12 days left. It means the lower we go, we should look for longs. You know, it is the truth. I do believe, like, if you go down to this lower structure, this is bearish, but to what point, right? You just go down to the lows, 17.6. I don't think until we lose this, you become some crazy bearish person. We're really at the low end of range. The other higher end of range is clearly right here, right? And that 2 weeks suggests we could have a wick down. All right, so I think I'm about to take a short here. Low volatility. Y'all see that 4-hour? Look at that thing, dude. 4 hours being... Ugh. This is nasty right here. Nasty PA. Look at that 5-hour, fam. Oh my goodness. Yo, Sony Vive, what's up? Look at Ether. Yo, Ninja. So you like that light? I just like that specific pattern, but those lights do like all kinds of patterns. All kinds of patterns. Like that thing can like flash like disco lights and shit. Pretty dope. Let's look at Ethereum. So Navi, what am I looking at here on Ethereum? Weekly. God, man, I'm telling you, I think we're gonna get a pop. It's just we gotta go a little bit lower first. Look at this. A little bit lower. Weekly doesn't look that great. But the candle wise, daily. Daily Ethereum does not look good right now, especially the low volatility. Look at Bitcoin, low volatility. You don't want it to close green with low volatility right there. That means it's another sell me candle. Look at this one, low volatility on this one. This daily right here. You everyone see this candle here? Zoom up. Right, we'll get rid of all the channels and shit. We just look at the volatility. See how this volatility right here is low? Weakness. Right? So you get another candle that looks like this. Same amount of body. That's low. Weakness. We're gonna just keep going down. It's just it's them holding the price up. They're holding the price up as long as they can, spoofing the market. That's what I think's happening. I think the price could be being pushed down too. But they're pushed down to what? To fill bids lower? And look at this nasty structure. This is crazy. Like, it's just the 5 minute. Like, fucking market's open. Wow. Recovered completely. And very similar. Crash that shit. You know, this right here, market's open. It's crazy. And we're just back in it. We're just back in it, fam. The algos are strong. We're just back in the chop. Like, right? Market's open, back in the chop. Molly Chan, I don't think it could be the bottom, but I'm not. I highly doubt it's the bottom. That's how I feel. I highly doubt it's the bottom. But I'm not taking my chance that I'm wrong, which is why I'm putting in money in a spot position at sub 20k. And I've been buying some Solana, although perfect example, and I'm glad you asked that question, Molly. Perfect example, what we should look at is like Solana, right? Solana is very bullish on, and now that has not turned over well. This weekly, although it's being absorbed, don't like it. Let's look at Ethereum, right? Ugh. God. Damn, dude, Dot was... I'm definitely down 90%. I'm definitely not taking my chance that this could be the bottom. I think anybody that would tell you that this is a bad area to buy a spot, anybody that tells you that is a friggin' moron. I think having some spot position right here, not a bad idea. If you're starting to build a spot position, sub 20K, they all look like this. Solana, Ethereum, FTM. Where's my FTM? For a second, I thought I read Apple at 114, and then my heart almost dropped. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Twiggy. What the fuck, bro? Bro. We're talking about minimum, like, I mean, it could go here. Still, that's a good short. Hold on, check out sand. I've been watching sand for a while. Damn, dude. Check out Matic. Dude, Matic's got a fat flag, dude. Like, this is either gonna break up big time or it's gonna like fucking shit break down big time. Oh, Matic, look at that. Y'all see that? That's technically bullish. Did Bitcoin take a bounce here? Yeah, we did. S&P still. God, I want to short this so bad. Look at this, dude. This is just hideous volatility. Trying to, Chad. Trying to, man. They're trying to bounce it so hard. Oh my goodness. Good spot for bullish. By the way, the FTM chart wasn't bullish, it was bearish, just motherfucker. Look at BNB Bitcoin. Ignore these. God, the move's coming soon, fam, in like 1 week. It's either a bounce or dump. Oh, a lot of things just say it's gonna. Oh my goodness. Always looking, fam. I'm always trying to find the move. I'm telling you right now. I think, God, man, I think we might dump today or tomorrow. We'll see. Soon. There's a big move coming soon, fam. And to be honest, like, if it was going to be a pump, like, check this out. Like, if it's gonna be a pump, don't you think we'll like dump then pump? 2-day, daily, 12-hour. These are decent time frames right here, you know, that are just not reset. Yeah, scam Chad. Chad, were you the one that showed me that? BNB Bitcoin? Oh my goodness. This 12-hour right now. Oh, this is just hideous. This is what we're dealing with right now. This is our 12-hour chart. Ah, God. I'm so like... Dump, pump. I can't figure it out. I'll be back later at the close, like I always am. Mad love, appreciate all you come by. Hope you learned something. We will be back later.